Hey guys, me, MCC34, and today I'm going to be back with my second episode of Winter Wolf Adventures. And yes, that's a pretty cringy name, even though I spent forever coming up with it. Oh yeah, there's my house. I did stay up till 3 o'clock at night building, and like 3 hours today in the morning building. So I won't show all of it since, as you can see, I built that all in creative, of course, because, yeah, I needed a house badly. And then, ding dong. Yeah, I'm turning still my volume up. Oh, okay, never mind, never mind. Okay, now, I just made this simple stuff, so there's gonna be no decorations yet. Yeah, I had stuff, but I figured out, like, it's kind of cheating, and I have, like, a small garage. But here's why I don't have anything. Yeah, there is upstairs, but I'm working on stuff. Here's what I need this stuff for. There's something called a deco bench, which is really cool. But, whoops, there's something we need for the purpose. So there'd be all this stuff from DecoCraft and all the items that you can get. Like, there's a load of stuff. But in order to make it, see, let me just go on something. I'm going to hold shift. It says how much you need to make it. So, yeah, that's basically the use of it. And it's going to be interesting. But the thing is, you need clay, which is going to be, I don't know where. You need red, you need green, and you need blue. And that's going to be our mission for today. The color wheel, I don't know. Anyway, let's go off to, find a red flower, yeah. Oh, yeah, I just realized that there's some flowers right there and some flowers right here. Yeah, that was kind of bad of me. And I won't be going crazy on edits like I did on my first video of the series, but I do need quite a bit of red and green and, you know. So later on I'm going to have to go to the desert, which is going to be horrible. Let me go back there. Perfect. Okay, yeah, I'm like trying to hurry as fast as I can, because I know this might be what all the videos, but I'm just gonna turn this music down to help your guys' ears live. You can have some other music in the background, if I even do, I don't know. But, so, and then, but the sad thing is, if you break the color, what's it called, the deco bench, I just almost called it a color wheel, if you break it, then you lose all your dye in it. And you need a certain amount of each type of dye and clay. Different stuff. I don't know why I just murdered a chicken. Now let's look for clay. There's clay right there. Well, okay, time to get to shoveling. Doo-doo. Oh, quick task, I see. Like, very. And I won't get this much red flowers, so this will be fine for now. Unless I see some other clay in the distance, like right by me. Is that clay or stone? I'm blind. Hold on. Let me get a closer look at that. Oh, let me do some more speed up. Take all this. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. Yep. I will see you guys in a few minutes my time. Okay, that might be enough clay for right now. Like, big time. Yeah, that might have just, like, took a load of time in the video. I should probably put some music in that. Now for the cactus green. Time to go find a desert. And we got all this. Oh my gosh, that took forever. Now, great. On my way there, I'm gonna find some poppies. But I gotta go in a lapis mine. Be right back. Oh great, this is gonna be so boring. Where's some more coal? Iron. I don't want that stuff, it's just lapis, jeez. Oh my gosh, that works too. Sweet, I found my lap. Ugh, did I just burp? That's disgusting, NC Oh my god. Okay, some lapis will do. Well, actually, I might find some more. Okay, yeah. I'll find some more. And I passed a mine shaft thing. Oh, more lapis. Oh, great. I'm gonna secretly mine that. You monsters get none of the specialness. Because I'm too special. Ha ha ha. Just literally drop down here and free diamond celebration. Whoop 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 whoop. Super happy time. Oh great, I need to make an iron pickaxe. Be right back. I gotta smell some iron. Okay, and then I get some gold because I made my iron pickaxe and I can finally grab this gold. Oh my gosh, I have no inventory room. Feathers, I mean, those aren't feathers, rib feathers. Oh my gosh, stop giving me stuff. More iron. Just grab one so I can have 8. Yeah. Who knows when I need a chest plate? Where's stuff? Oh my gosh. Is that enough lapis? No, it isn't. It isn't enough. Oh, yes. Okay, I will mine this proudly. Okay, yeah, I think that's all the lapis I need. Unless I find some more, because I need to stop putting so much minutes on my clips. Anyway, you'll see me back up. 3. What is this song? Oh, pretty better. I'm gonna. Oh! Lapis! Yay! Okay, that works. See you in the next. Wait, I just had the perfect idea. What if I just did this to save inventory room instead of throwing out my precious seeds? Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I could have done that earlier. Fine, time to keep on mining up. Boring. Oh, sweet. I found some more flowers on my way too. I have like almost a stack. Let's try this out. Whoa! Oh, wait, I gotta get the deco bench ready. Ring the doorbell. Can you guys hear that? Whatever. Perfect. Just some quick lighting because I really want to be able to see, so because that's not a messy look. Very totally not messy. Okay, anyway, let me get to showing you. Oh my gosh, I have to smell all that cactus. Never mind, be right back. This is gonna take forever. And perfect, I'm all ready. Got all the stuff I need, and here's what I do. I'm just gonna drop it one by one so it can get annoying. So I'll have one piece of green put inside here, and you'll see I have 8 slots of green out of 2,000, and then I can keep on putting it in. Let's put all of mine in. There's 520, and as you can see, I'll start to have eventually all these different stuff, and they'll involve different costs. So let me get all my stuff in, and oh great, I gotta color my poppies and take out my clay. Oh my gosh. Oh great, I gotta dig that all up. And hold on, I'll do that later. All my flowers in there, and I'll put my clay in there and hope that's enough. How much of clay can I have right now? Yeah, I'm gonna mine up that clay just because, for the fun of it, I gotta do that. And be right back. Sweet, I got those stuff I need, the clay. And, oh my gosh, that's annoying. Will I have extras? Is that such thing? Oh, the clay's right there. You can have so much clay. Oh my gosh, you can have a lot. Anyway, and then see, you can decorate like with all that stuff and all those presents. And we can start maybe decorating in this video or the next episode. I think I'll decorate in this video, but look at all that stuff. I'm gonna hold this across so you can see how prices do change. Oh, I can just steal that money from that cash register. That will work. Yeah. Perfect. I will be right back. Haha, I'm rich. Oh my gosh, you little chicken. You need to die. Die. Yes. My mood ring turned yellow. Oh, great. That means I'm all nervous. Great. Just what I wanted. What? That means romance? What? Yeah, you be changing. Are you orange now? I need to get back to my video. Oh my gosh. This mood ring. Ooh, what color is it now? Oh wait, I need to get back to the video. What? It just changed back to green and yellow. That's so cool. Okay, let me start back the video. And I'm back. And yeah, oh, free XP on the ground, perfect. And oh my gosh, my mood ring's still yellow. Anyway, I will probably decorate and stuff next video maybe, but after I can do, well, I go to Smallsies, of course. Oh my gosh, it's dark up here. I forgot to light up the house. Yeah, I have all that. Close the blinds because that will totally make it less dark. Yeah, sure. I'll just in the video here maybe. Oh, there has to be something else I can do. Well, anyway, I guess I'll see you guys next one. Bye. Bye. Okay, is that creepy? Yeah, it is.